So, hello. Today I'm going to talk about a problem I'm having with the Mercury Legacy Pro drive, the SSD Legacy Pro drive. It's this one here. Before we start talking, I'd like to say I'm rather a fan of the OWC products. I have the Excelsior product, the PCI Express SSD in several Mac Pros. I have got several of the Elite Pro portable drives, and then also in several computers I am using OWC memory. So for today, the problem we're going to talk about is the Mercury Legacy Pro drive that is not being recognized by any computers. So let's look at it on the computer. So here is the test setup. I have the Mercury Legacy Pro drive hooked up by USB with an adapter to one of my Mac Pros. And what you can see here is that only the power light is on, but the drive is not recognized here. There should be another light with the IDE. And if you go up to the display, you will also see on the computer there is no record of the IDE drive that's hooked up. I have the Excelsior drive that is the boot drive on this computer, but no IDE drive. Now let's try with a SATA drive and see what happens. Okay, so now I've taken the same adapter and I've hooked it up to one of the auxiliary drives that I have in my Mac Pro. And as you can see here, the SATA drive is recognized. The light is blinking here and it recognizes the disk. And if we go up to the screen of my Mac Pro, you can see here that the various drives, here it's a multiple partition on this drive, they're all listed. So here we have a situation where the drive is recognized. So in conclusion, I need to recall you some of the history. I purchased this drive, the Legacy Pro drive. I sent it to a service provider from Apple to have it installed in my old PowerBook. The service provider said the drive is not recognizable. So I sent the drive back to OWC and they said the drive works. So I bought an adapter myself and tested it, and me too, I also conclude that the drive doesn't work. It can't be recognized. So I think there's a problem with this drive. So what I'm asking for from the service department is an exchange against a different serial number that I assume will work. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.